Okay, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Courtney, and I am doing some fun budgeting stuff over here. I kind of just started out, and I just have been loving just the accountability kind of that I have for myself in doing these videos. So I hope you guys enjoy today. I'm going to be doing a mini Monday savings challenge. I wanted to print out some trackers and challenges that I bought from people on Etsy, but my printer ran out of ink and they just look not like how they're basically black and white because I ran out of color ink. So instead, I just kind of pulled some of my categories from my savings binder, and I'm going to be rolling to see which one of these gets the money. And I also have, so anyways, let me go through what they are. I have birthday for me, my birthday, craft corner, which is just anything that I would want to buy. I really want to get like a Cricut eventually, or a silhouette machine, or just like, I'm always looking at paper goods and stuff like that, and stickers and whatever. Planner, supplies, Style Stash obviously for clothes, Aria for anything that she needs or even wants, Glow Up Goals for money, skincare, that kind of thing, or money, makeup, skincare, that kind of thing. And then Merry Money is what I was thinking. That's why I said money. Merry Money for Christmas, obviously. So those are our 6 different categories. I have $70 from, I just recently started tutoring, actually. I'm so thankful to have that opportunity that just like popped up recently. I had 2 people ask me if I could tutor them in French, so I started doing that, and so I have a little extra cash to play around with, and I thought I'd use it in a fun way since it's extra income, a little side hustle that I'm doing. So yeah, here we go. 5. That wasn't a very good roll. Oh, goodness. Number 3 is getting a ton. Oh, finally. Number 1. The piles are getting so messy. Okay, and that is all of our dollars. So let's see what each category got. Let me just organize these here. I love watching these videos on YouTube. They're so fun. I love seeing all the cute little savings challenges. And yeah, it's just always such a fun time. So birthday for me got 1, 2, 3, 4. That's not even enough to color in a balloon, but that's okay. Craft corner, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Not quite enough to color in a button, but that's okay. Let me not get confused here about how I'm arranging these. Okay, where's my next one? Okay, Style Stash. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, so we can color in maybe these pants. I know you're technically supposed to do this with, well, I see lots of people doing it with like lower amounts on the trackers, but like I said, I wasn't able to print off any low amount trackers. So I'm just using what I have, and that's totally fine. Aria got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Awesome. So exciting for her. I don't even have a tracker for that one, so it's just going to go in her envelope. Glow Up Goals, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you can color in 2 of these little guys. Let's do one of these beauty blenders here. And this perfume. Okay, and last but not least, okay, we're doing Merry Money. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So not quite enough to color in a present, but that's okay too. Every category got a little bit extra money, so that's so exciting. And I'll put these away, and it's just so fun to save extra money like that. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next one.